Just a mess. Downed wires, trees everywhere you look, fire pits created out of the yard just to get rid of the extra wood. Oh, and here's an old guy. Looks like he's a homeowner. America has a few questions for you, sir.
I got a poke.
Was it storming when you went in the porta potty?
I still have to poke.
So, sounds like it was your time to poop, but not your time to die.
Right.
Well, we're glad you didn't. We need a lot of help. So, last question is, usually up in this part of the country, when we have to pee, we go behind a tree. What is your recommendation now?
Go across the street.
Thank you for your time.